When you search for best commercial ice maker machine, everything looks the same. Same bullet ice, same 26-pound claims, same stainless steel finishes. But if you've ever bought one based on the photos and specs, only to find it slow, loud, or breaking down after a few weeks, you know the real difference isn't on the surface. Today, we're cutting through the noise.
Product number 1, Nubalig Portable Ice Maker. The Nubalig Countertop Ice Maker. This compact unit caught my eye because it promises 9 bullet cubes in just 6 minutes and up to 26 pounds of ice per day, all in a portable design with a built-in handle. At around 15 pounds and fitting easily on a countertop, it's clearly aimed at home users, RVers, or small offices who want ice without installing a full undercounter system. If you want fast, portable ice for parties or daily use without plumbing, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 1.5-liter water tank means fewer refills, and the infrared sensor actually works. It flashes when ice is full or water is low, so you're not constantly checking. The auto-cleaning function is a nice touch too. Just hold the power button for 5 seconds and it runs a 15-minute cycle. With over 4,000 units sold last month, it's clearly popular, and the bullet ice doesn't clump like cheaper models. It's also quiet, under 40 dB, so you won't hear it running during dinner. Now, some people complained about the ice full light staying red constantly once triggered, and you have to manually restart the machine. That's annoying if you forget and come back to a full basket with no ice production. Here's the thing though, it's not a deal breaker if you're using it at home and can check it regularly. But if you need fully hands-off operation, this could frustrate you. This is perfect for you if you host small gatherings, live in an RV, or want backup ice for your kitchen freezer. Skip this one if you need consistent, unattended ice production for a bar or office. For the price and portability, it's solid value.
Product number 2, Frigidaire EFI CI117-SS. The Frigidaire EFI CI117-SS, a name you've probably seen in kitchens for decades. This model makes 9 bullet cubes every 7 minutes and up to 26 pounds per day, just like the others. But what sets it apart is the transparent window on top. You can actually see the ice being made and check levels without opening the lid, which helps maintain internal temperature and efficiency. The stainless steel finish gives it a premium look that blends into modern kitchens or bars. If you want reliable ice with a touch of class and easy monitoring, this one stands out. Here's why this matters. The 2.1-quart water tank is larger than most, meaning fewer refills during busy times. The digital LED panel lets you switch between small and large ice sizes easily. Small for chilling drinks fast, large for slower melt-in cocktails. And with a drain plug, cleaning is simpler than models that require tilting or sponging out water. Over 3,000 sold last month shows people trust the Frigidaire name, even in a crowded market. Now, some users mentioned it's a bit louder than expected, especially when the compressor kicks in. It's not disruptive, but noticeable in quiet rooms. Here's the thing. Most countertop ice makers make some noise, and this one still runs under 50 dB. If you're placing it in a basement bar or garage, you'll never hear it, but if it's right next to your dining table, you might notice the hum. It's perfect for you if you want a trusted brand with a clean look and don't mind a slight noise trade-off. Skip this one if you need ultra-quiet operation or plan to use it in a bedroom or quiet office. It's a dependable middle ground option.
Product number 3, Silent SL IM21 Ice Maker. If the Frigidaire's noise level gave you pause, the Silent SL IM21 might be your answer. This model also delivers 9 cubes in 6 minutes and 26 pounds per day, but it's noticeably quieter and more compact. Measuring just 8.7 inches tall, it fits under most cabinets and won't dominate your counter. The carry handle and 13.7-pound weight make it easy to move from kitchen to patio or even to a friend's house. If you want efficiency, silence, and portability in one package, this is a strong contender. Here's why this matters. The 1.2-liter water tank and 1.3-pound ice basket are well balanced for home use, enough for daily drinks without constant refilling. The control panel is simple. Fill, press on, choose size. The self-cleaning function runs for 30 minutes with a long press, which is longer than some, but ensures a deeper clean. With over 1,000 units sold recently, it's gaining traction for its reliability. Now, some buyers said the ice cubes can stick together if you don't remove them quickly, especially in humid environments. Here's the thing. This happens with most bullet ice makers because of the way they freeze. Just empty the basket regularly and it's not an issue. But if you forget for hours, you might get a clump. This is perfect for you if you want a quiet, compact machine for daily home use or camping.
Skip this one if you need large batches stored for long periods. It's excellent value for the performance.
Product number 4, Valentino's Snow Cone Machine. That was a solid option, but the next one on my list takes a completely different approach. This isn't for cubes. The Valentino 48L Snow Cone Machine is built for events, parties, or even small concessions. It shaves ice into fluffy snow at up to 500 pounds per hour using a 300-watt motor. That's not a typo, 500 pounds per hour. If you're hosting a summer bash or running a kids' party, this thing delivers non-stop snow cones. Here's why this matters. The large hopper and powerful blade system crush standard ice cubes into fine, soft snow in seconds. You can layer in syrups, fruit, or even yogurt for custom treats. The drain system makes cleanup easy. Just rinse and wipe. It's heavy at 28 pounds, but that's because it's built like a tank. Only 100 sold last month, but that's because it's niche, perfect for the right user. Now, some people complained it's overkill for home use and takes up serious space. Here's the thing, this isn't for everyday ice. But if you host frequently or run a small stand, it's a game changer. For casual users, it's too much. This is perfect for you if you throw parties, run events, or love snow cones. Skip this one if you just want ice for drinks. It's a specialty tool, not a daily driver.
Product number 5, Lion Show Clear Ice Cube Maker. If you're tired of cloudy, fast-melting ice, the Lion Show Clear Ice Cube Maker is in a league of its own. It makes 3 crystal clear 1.6-inch cubes every 10 to 20 minutes using directional freezing, trapping air and impurities so your drinks stay cold longer. With a 1.8-liter tank, it can produce up to 26 pounds per day, just like the others, but the quality is visibly better. If you care about presentation, like for whiskey, cocktails, or upscale gatherings, this is the one. Here's why this matters. Clear ice melts 50% slower than standard cubes, so your drink doesn't dilute quickly. The ETL-certified food-grade materials mean no plastic taste, and the auto-cleaning keeps it fresh. You can even adjust ice thickness via time settings. It's quiet at under 45 dB and energy efficient, saving on long-term costs. Now, some users said it's slow, only 3 cubes at a time. Here's the thing, this isn't for high-volume needs, but if you want premium ice for special occasions, the wait is worth it. It's also pricier at $299, but you're paying for clarity and craftsmanship. This is perfect for you if you entertain often or want bar-quality ice at home. Skip this one if you need ice fast for large groups. It's an investment, but for the right person, it's worth every penny.
So which one should you get? The Nubeline is great for portability, Frigidaire for style and reliability, Cylon for quiet efficiency, Valentino for snow cone parties, and Lion Show for crystal clear perfection. Each solves a different ice problem, so pick based on your needs, not just the specs. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. We break down real performance, not just marketing fluff.